I have a large aerospace customer in the northeast region of New York. They were having trouble drilling some really deep holes in aluminum blocks. They really hadn't drilled deep holes over 50 times diameter, so it was a 3/8 diameter hole and they had to go over 19 inches deep. The proposed method that the engineer was looking at was traditional gun drilling, which would have taken them about 4.5 minutes to drill a hole 18 inches deep. We actually brought in some tools that were in stock with our vendor, and we actually ran some scenarios on their existing equipment, knowing the parameters, and we did some preliminary trials. But I think the neat thing was when we collaborated with our vendor, we actually saved them some machine time because we did testing off-site at one of our vendors' site to actually drill the holes. We ran the speeds and feeds of what they would run at doing traditional gun drilling, which was taking them about 5 to 5.5 minutes per hole. And then we ran a scenario with our vendors' drills, 4 different drills with piloting, 20 and 30 times D drill. So what we propose is going with multiple drills, piloting the hole, and then doing some intermediate drills, and finally taking it to its depth. And it was only going to take them about 24 seconds in completion. By doing that, saved them, it was over 10 times savings, so we saved them between $8,000 and $9,000 just to drill that hole. And having the coolant through options and doing the methods that we did really saved them a good amount of money, and they were very pleased with it.